Welcome to Florida Demolition Experts, where precision meets power. We don't just break things, we actually clear the path for your future build. Licensed, insured, experienced, and we handle everything in the house. Permits, tree removal, sewer disconnects, you name it. From small teardowns to full property clearouts, we're the team that gets it done right the first time. Follow us to see more behind the scenes, before and afters, and why we are Florida's #1 demo team.